Okay, I said I was going to do a fingernail polish video. And I've had this polish on since Saturday or Sunday. And today is Saturday. It's Saturday night. So it was either in the middle of the day last Saturday or in the middle of the day Sunday. And this is how it looks for now. That one's the only one that's chipped bad. So it stays on pretty good. And considering I clean all the time and adjust, I use tools to adjust desk height and other things. I mean, it stayed on pretty good. And I try to keep chemicals off my hands, so when I was taking this polish off, I realized, I think I was using toilet tissue that day, but you know, usually I put the nail polish remover on, do like that, and you can see the color on there. This one I couldn't. And so I'm going to try to see if it'll do that today. And I also want to show you something else that was eating up my fingernails, and it was eating up my nail polish, and I thought I was getting chemicals on my hands at work, but I wasn't. Let me go get that right. Okay, and this is what was eating my nail polish and my nails up. And I may try on this one nail. It grows fast, so I'll risk it. We'll see if any comes off. And I accidentally bought 94% alcohol, and it'll do the same thing. But let's see if any of it, you know, I got a clear coat on here, so I'll have to rub a little while. But no, none's coming off with it. But yeah, I was using that quite often at work, and it was really doing a number on them. So anyway, but it ain't taking it off right there. But if you do use that, just, you know, it might not do you the way it did me. Just, you know, keep an eye out and see if it affects yours. This is the base coat I use, and I put duct tape on the lid because the lids are like this. They're very slick. And I kept tightening it too tight, and then I couldn't get it back open. And it's the, where does it say it? I don't have my reading glasses on, so I can't tell if it's showing up good or not. Anyway, it's the o.p.i base coat. And then I put, let's see if it'll focus, the nail lacquer. What color is this one? I don't know if it's showing up because I don't have my reading glasses, so I can't tell. And then I put the top coat. All of it's o.p.i. And so here I've got regular nail polish remover. You know, it's not the non-acetone, so this has acetone in it. So saturate it pretty good. I'm not going to do the one to put alcohol on just in case. Okay. Well, it's starting to come off a little bit, but it takes a lot longer to get this nail polish off, especially when I use tissue paper. And so this is going to work. I had bought this 100% acetone in case I needed it, but I think using the cotton balls is helping a lot. But I think it's really awesome because I do avoid chemicals the best I can getting on my nails at work, but sometimes it does. And you know, and I'm having to move furniture and stuff a lot, and you know, I just I think it's awesome. And what I had done, it kept chipping off the tip of all of them, like within the first 2 days, all the nail polish I was using. And so I got on Facebook and asked what the best one was to not chip, and I said, name some that are not the gel polish that you can get at stores. Not the kind you need to light with, but the other kind. Because I'd tried it, and bad too, with me anyway. And a couple of them told me about this. And oh man, I like it. I went and bought a bunch of it the other day. A bunch of different colors. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. See, most of them by now doing that. You would have seen color on the cotton ball before that. You know, it's just, it seems awesome to me. And if you use this, just keep an eye out and see if it affects your nails or your polish in a negative way. You might have to figure out another solution for germs. But thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.